Look at Ryan. Ryan, I got that, buddy. Thank you, man. Good luck to you, too. You've been hot lately. Ryan, pick a bangers box. 4, 8, 12. Looks like 15 are on the table. 1 to 15. What up, Rawson? Let's go pull some bangers. Let's do it. Come on. I'm in. I like it. Ryan, 4, 8, 12. No, 1 to 15. 1 to 15. Jason for the Giants. Got it. What's up, John? How you doing? Hey, pick a box 1 to 15. Ryan's picked 12. 12 is off. 4, 8. 12 is at the bottom. Let's ride. Come on. Box 12. Thank you, Ryan. Larry, pick a box 1 to 15, sir. John picked 1. So 1 and 12 are gone, Larry. Thank you, John. Box 1. Let's ride. Jonathan, you picked the big bangers. 1 to 10. Looks like 1 to 10 over there. Break 441. We got a good one here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. We need a downtown for sure. Jonathan says 4. Like it, I like it. Box 4. Come on. We missed somebody on the regular bangers. Tim! Larry, are you here? I think I asked Larry. He could be busy. Larry, Randy, somebody pick a bangers box 1 to 15. 1 and 12 are gone. Mike said, Mike, thank you, sir. Mike said, I got you. Mike, got it. We got it, Larry. Okay. And 4. Thank you, Tim. I got too many boxes. Like I said, died. 8. This will be the top one. Died. Let's ride. Now we got it. Now we got it. We're ready to roll now. Got our boxes. And a big banger there. Optic is going to be the ticket tonight. Watch. Y'all ready? Look at Jason. Jason, I got that. Thank you, buddy. What up, Coach V? Hope everybody's doing good. Let's ride. Hey, so our 1-on-1 pot's 160. You can get a 1-on-1 at a select. Down, it's coming tonight. Dawn's absolutely correct. Tonight it comes. Downtown, I feel it. I agree. Dawn called it. Let's do it. There's Coach. Randy's got the Cardinals from a mini. Mooton's got the Falcons. Larry J got the Ravens. Ryan got his Bills. Samantera got the Panthers with the first spot in the mini. Randy J got the Bears. Ryan C got the Bengals. Samantera got the Browns in a mini. Joe V got them Cowboys. Jonathan C got the Broncos in a mini. Michael B got the Lions. Ryan E got the Packers. Larry J got the Texans in a mini. Randy J got the Colts in a mini. Buddy got them Jaguars. Good luck, buddy. Chris M, Chiefs. Good luck, sir. Mooton, Chargers. Eric, Rams. Dolphins. Tom H, Larry J, Vikings in a mini. Randy J, Patriots. Charlie G, Saints. Jason R. got the Giants. Jeff L. got his Jets. Here we go. Renee got the Raiders. Randy J. Eagles. Dawn Steelers. Jeff M. Niners. Let's go, guys. Larry N. got the Seahawks. John W. got the Bucks. Mooton's got the Titans. And Jeff L. got the Commanders. Let's ride. Hope everybody's doing great today for a Monday. We got a good break right here. 441. Let's ride. Dawn already called it. Downtown coming. Last downtown we pulled. Who was it? Earl Campbell? I believe that was the case. Get my penny sleeves top loaders rolling here. Tim, did you work today, Tim, or were you off? Hard to tell with Tim. I feel it. Ryan, I love it. Ryan says, hey, Big Josh tonight. Well, let's do it. Tim makes his own hours. He tells them when he's available to work. Let's ride. Hey, let's open these repack ones. I kind of like these because they have the star emojis in them. And you can get a downtown. And I seen the 100 parallels in them, which are pretty cool. Hard to pull. We pulled one last night. Let's go. Lockett, Kittle, Carson Palmer, and Trey McBride. Good luck, everybody. 1-1 pots 160. Hey, we got a Stars, and that looks like Steelers colors back there. Minka Fitzpatrick. Is this a Steelers pack? Najee. James Conner. Please don't be Calvin. We'll take that one. Minka Fitzpatrick on the Stars. Stars parallel. I like it. I like it because they're not, in every blaster box. I feel it. Brian, I like it. I like it. Jody, how you doing? There's Don. He said, hey, he likes it. Very nice. Come on, we're not done. Darian Payne, Parsons, Beast. Look at the Herbie on a hollow. We'll take it. Tyler Algier, who has the Chargers tonight. Mooton does. We're putting that in the top loader for Mr. Mooton right now. It is Herbie. ESPN executives had him number 5 on their list today, I believe. 5? I think it was 5. Top 10 quarterbacks for 2023. I don't know about that. At 5? New offensive coordinator? Put a lot of faith up in it. These are supposed to be the GMs, owners, top execs. We got some pretty back there, man. Gates, Eckler, J.K. Dobbins. Oh, I seen the colors. Diamond Hands, Deontay Johnson. We take that. Come on, that's a beauty, too. Look at Buddy. Good evening, Buddy. Buddy's got them Jaguars. Buddy's a smart man. Trevor Lawrence, come on. And my boy Trevor at 8. I was like, come on, man. Hunter Renfrow, Jonathan Allen, Aaron Jones, and Danny Gray. I'm not seeing that. I'm not seeing it. We got Evan Ingram, Clinton Portis, Nick Bolton, and Sauce on the Elite Series rookies. Feet bait. No Austin tonight at all. Yeah, just... Dog, tell him now. Now, stay away. Please. Do us a favor, man. Yeah, we got a couple spots left in a mini for... we're going to break it next. It's 1 Chronicles football box and 3 bangers, but it's divisional. Buddy hit earlier. He got 2 spots in the mini and won both spots. Got 2 divisions. Demario Davis, Damian Harris, Jamar Chase, and Charles Cross. NFC West was one of them. That could be huge for Mr. Buddy. Here we go. Justin Jefferson, Gesicki, Nick Bolton, and light it up. Damian Pierce, rookie for them Texans. I like that. Larry got him in a mini. Let's go, Larry. Let's go. There's Jeff. Good evening, Jeff. How you doing? Hope you're doing all right tonight. Jalen Ramsey, Micah Parsons, Kevin Byard, and Skylar Thompson with a thumbnail on it for the Miami Dolphins. Tom, I'm sorry. I don't know if you believe in them like I believe in them. Need some color tonight. Doing good, man. Doing good. Thank you, Jeff. And there's Jeff. The other one got the Niners. Jeff's went out on limbs tonight. They got Niners and Jets. And Jeff got the Commanders, so he's got a shot. Nick Bosa, Big Ben Roethlisberger, Cordell Patterson, and Karlaftis. Come on, come on, come on. What we got back there? Ramondre Stevenson, Thielen, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Atlanta Falcons. Legendary logos. Desmond Ridder. We'll take that. Let's go into Mooten, who's got the Falcons tonight. Jeff L. has the Commanders and Jets. Jeff M. got them Niners. Best of luck to both you gentlemen. Come on, last pack here. We got Xavier Howard, Eric Dickerson, Tony Pollard without a contract, and a Sauce to finish up here. Well, he signed his, so I wonder if Ryan felt that Josh Allen coming out of Mosaic. It has always been good to him. It is possible. I think he missed glass twice on the Josh Allen's, but hit a razzle-dazzle. Does that sound right? How about a Genesis tonight? Let's ride. Got green in there. Davis Mills Fields, ETN, Keyshawn, Jalen Ramsey, DK, got Khalil Mack, Kyle Hamilton, and Chris Jones. He better get paid. Jerome Ford. There is a Garrett Wilson, Zamir White, Alante Taylor, Xavier Howard on a green. Okay, going to them Dolphins. Like it. Cortland Sutton, orange. Jacoby Myers, John Elway on the Super Bowl MVP. Pierre Strong is our rookie, orange. Justin Jefferson, bang, Stephon Diggs, and a kid reporter. Come on, come on. I love these Mosaic hangers, y'all. This one is tore up. Look at this. Ah, dang, disintegrated box. This might be the good one right here. Let's save it. I like it. That box just disintegrated. Come on. We're going to save it for the last one of the four. Come on, Mosaic. Do us right. Honeycombs are nice. Glass is my favorite. I'll take a Genesis. We got Drew Lock and Eli Manning, Matthew Stafford, Joe Namath, Jahan Dotson, Bettino, Kyler Murray, Kyle Pitts, Hawkinson, come on. Treylon Burks, he got a counterpart now. Is that going to be a difference? Andrew Booth, a silver DJ Moore, going to the Panthers. T. Higgins, the other 85. Fletcher Cox, beast. Drake London debut, orange, very nice. Falcons. Karlaftis, very nice. Chiefs. Aaron Jones and a Mahomes will to win. Chris got them Chiefs tonight. Let me put up Karlaftis. Mr. Drake London right quick. Okay, our third Mosaic hanger. Come on, baby. Come on, y'all. Hey, thank you for filling the mini, you guys, and getting the teams on here so we could break on time tonight. Jory filled it for us. Come on, come on. We got green here. Use check of the Niners and Treylon Burks debut. Taylor, Dak Prescott, Davis Mills. Got a Fields. Come on, quarterbacks. They want to show up. Jerry Rice, Rodrigo, Jelani Woods, Colts, Jamison Williams, Lions. Come on, baby. Elam Bills, Rashad Penny, green. All right, all right. Jordan Poyer, we like him. I know Ryan does too. Come on. Deontay Johnson, Barry Sanders, very nice, Lions. That is a wrong Niner. Tyron Davis Prize, Hall of Fame, Joe Montana, Joe Burrow, and a kid reporter. Come on, come on. Dang it. Kittle. Derwin James, Peyton Manning, Super Bowl MVP, Hughes, Check, Montgomery, Chenault, Peoples-Jones, Ekwonu, Sam Williams, Mike Woods, K9 going to Seattle. Very nice. How about a Jake Ferguson going to them Cowboys on the Mosaic. Juju Orange. Quandre Diggs, Joe Namath Jets Orange. Hey, there we go. B-Rob, that's a good candidate for you right there, Jeff. Najee, let's go. There's Michael B. Good evening, Michael. Michael got them Lions tonight. All right. Let's go. Select Walmart ones. We got 4 of them tonight. We also got 4 Optic blasters. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Jermaine Johnson and Derek Stingley, Zap Zap, and Amon-Ra St. Brown, Lions silver. They scored them an 88. I was like, ugh. Seems a little low to me on Amon-Ra. How about Danny Gray? Kenny Pickett will take him. Martin Emerson of the Browns on a red and blue die cut. And Russell Wilson. Let's ride. We did pull some nice select numbered ones yesterday. It is possible. Oh boy, white club level? Come on. Very nice. Let's see it. Let's get a rookie. Karlaftis on the front. Is that a Charger? What is that? I can't even tell, y'all. Maybe an Eagle? A Bronco. Okay, look at Eric. Patrick Surtain. That is pretty clean. Going to the Broncos, Jonathan. But he don't have that one on the club level. 24 of 49. We'll take that. Tyler Lockett and Nick Bolton. Surtain is a beast on them edges. Watch him. Eric, I hope you're doing all right this evening. Sweet. Yeah, that's a nice one, Jonathan. I like that. The white just pops on select. Let's go. We're not done. We got Jalen Hurts and Desmond Ridder. Here we go. Mr. Bland right there on a red and blue. Let's go. And Drake Jackson, Niners. Doing good, Eric. Thank you. Appreciate you, man. Hope you're doing all right today. There he is. There he is. Joe. Come on, Joe. We got TT, Darren Waller, D-Hop, numbers, and Chad Muma of the Jaguars. Get 4 cards per pack in these select packs. The Walmart ones seem to be better than the Target. We got Rashad Bateman, DJ Moore, Justin Jefferson, red and blue. That's a beauty. And a Ritter. We'll take it. Vikings, Larry J got him in a mini. We got 20 select blasters Walmart for tomorrow night. I'm going to post it at 9 Central, 10 Eastern. I tried to get it a heads up post and stuff earlier, but it was just too much with the shipping. Mondays are hectic, man. So bear with me. We're going to do a case of the select. It is a case. Come on. Chris Olave, Ferguson, and Keontae Ingram, Brian Asamoah. Unless you're talking about something else, Jeff, I would like to. We got orange. Some Chronicles would be the ticket. Lamar. Dang, Ryan, nice one, man. DeMar Hamlin, 69 of 199. Concourse, Watson, and Dalvin Cook. Our boy DeMar. There you go, Ryan. Let's get some more numbered ones, man. Amon-Ra St. Brown, Cameron Dicker the kicker, and we'll take a Drake London all day long, red and blue, Lamar. Contenders, cheaper cost, maybe. Yeah, the Chronicles is where it's at. Unless y'all want to do contenders. I don't like the draft ones. So hard on trying to keep track of everybody. Once they're in the pro unis, absolutely. Terry McLaurin, DeMar Hamlin base this time, Austin Eckler, and we got Tyler Algier, silver Falcon. Very nice. How about Jack Sanborn, Mahomes, Jonathan Taylor, red and blue, and Juju. Yeah, this is true. Michael Pittman. Ayuk tried to sneak out of there. We got Cheetah on a turbocharge and Boy Mafe. Chronicles is better, but harder on those teams that don't have a ton of rookies. You are correct. Come on, Purdy. Kenny, let's ride. Got a silver back there. Karlaftis and Jalen Hurts. Austin Eckler. It's Baker Mayfield on the silver. Come on, baby. This pack feels lucky. There's a Ritter. Tyquan Thornton. Nick Bolton, Chiefs, red and blue, club level die cut, and Heineke with the Commanders. Show your face, dude. Let's go. Come on, Jeff. Tell him. He's due, too, because we hit out of 20 target ones last night. We hit 2 numbers one. Darren Waller, Rashad Bateman, Christian Watson, and Kyle Hamilton. But out of Chronicles, we hit a Prism Black to 10, Purdy. And another numbered DJ Moore, Zonovan Knight, Drake London, Falcons, red and blue die cut. Let's go, Isaiah Spiller, Chargers. Come on, Brock. There is Larry. Good evening, Larry. There he got them Seahawks. He looking for them K9s. Damian Pierce and Kittle. Trevor Lawrence of Future. And Matt Corral, Panthers. Very nice. First one of those we've pulled. Sam and Tara. Got them in a mini. Come on, come on. How about Velas Jones? Sky Moore. He doesn't pop up all the time. Arnold E. is the red and blue. And Rashid Shahad, Saints rookie. We did pull a snakeskin Alvin Kamara last night. Those are numbered to 2. Came out of a tart. This is a hot box right here. It feels hot. Come on. Come on, Select. What about a 21 or 20 hanger case break? We could. Which ones would you be interested? K9, there he is. Fields. How about Lamar Jackson and Rondell Moore, silver. I like the 21 prisms. Colin Jameson Williams. Oh, Michael. Yeah, we're agreeing. We feel like a downtown's coming. Sam Darnold, Jermaine Johnson. How about a Pat Fryermuth red and blue Steelers? Drake Jackson, Mosaic, or any, honestly. All right. Let me check into it. Hey, this one feels thick, y'all. I'm going to say we got a mem in here. It appears that way. Derek Stingley and Breece Hall going to the Jets. Rookie swatches. These are beautiful. Not numbered. Jalen Hurts and Abraham Lucas. Take a Breece Hall. Yeah, because we are kind of in that dead time before the new releases come out for 2023. Danny Gray, Kenny Pickett, our second one on the concourse base. There is Cameron Dicker, the kicker, going to the Chargers on a red and blue, and Chad Muma. There is Charlie. Good evening, Charlie. This pack acting funny. Come on. How about Karlaftis, Hurts, Garrett Wilson on the certified, and a Desmond Ridder? Oh, you're good, Charlie. You're good. You aren't late. You're right on time, buddy. All right, last pack here. We got silver. Oh, red and blue. Desmond Ridder, TT, Christian Watson, the future rookie. How about a Logan Hall, Bucks? And we're going to finish up with Cheetah. All right, come on, Optic. Optic's going to pull us out. Going to save the day. Purple Shocks here. Let's do it. Optic, be good to us. It has so far this year. Jordan Poyer, Mac Jones, very nice. Kyle Hamilton, beautiful. Hollow Ravens, and a James Cook. Going to the Ravens, that's a nice one. How about Matt Ryan, Malik Willis, the rookies, Greg Dulcich, Denver Broncos, and Brian Cook, Chiefs. 8-box Chronicles break with the Chargers, and they had pulled me one Herbie. God, Mike. Sorry, buddy. We need that Herbie auto. We're doing one box tonight with 3 bangers on a random, or a divisional. I think there's 2 spots left in a mini. I like the divisionals. I'm trying. I know you are, Mike. He's trying to get him. Trying to get that auto, man. Hey, I think the AFC West is one of the teams in the divisional too, man. In the mini, Joe Burrow, Dalvin Cook, how about a Jordan Davis, and a Bailey Zappi base rookie for them Patriots. We got Juju, Jalen Waddle, how about a Carson Palmer, and Tristan Ebner. I did like Palmer. He had the one chance against the Steelers, got injured. That was it. CeeDee Lamb. Hey, James Cook on the negative. We'll take it. That's a beauty, too. There's a Matt Corral, Purple Shock. Very nice. And Derek Stingley. Jason, good evening, Jason. I hope you're doing all right today. On the Salmon Terra. Got the Panthers from a mini. James Cook going to Ryan M with them Bills. Very nice, very nice. We'll set him out here. I like him on the negative. Well, Jason, I hope it's a better evening for you, buddy. I know you've had a rough day. Michael Vick, Aaron Donald. How about B-Dog Retro Series? And a Desmond Ritter base. We'll take it. Box 2. Come on, Optic. All right, I got Nico Collins here, and Mike Evans. Gasecki is the hollow, and Devin Lloyd of the Jaguars is a rated rookie. Jason, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Well, I'm glad you're joining us. Maybe we can put a smile on your face. Cole Kmet, hey, Elite Series rookie. Brock Purdy decides to show up, and Jeremy Ruckert, rated rookie. Purple Shock, Treylon Burks. Let's go. Come on, Jonathan, say it. Let's go. Wants to see a downtown. I'm with him. For anyone but the Cowboys. Wow. He said anyone but them boys. Purdy is here. Jonathan. Baselli, Quandre Diggs, and Career Elam. Sam Williams, Cowboys. Jonathan over there messing with Joe. We want a downtown. We need a downtown. We got Marlon Humphrey, Nick Bosa, and Sam Williams, rated rookie Cowboys. Hollow and Kobe Bryant. She is in a better place now, Jason, 100%. Brett Favre, Green Bay Packers. Big Ben Roethlisberger. How about a Drake London, Purple Shock, rated rookie, Falcons. And Jermaine Johnson, Jets. Here we go. J.C. Horn, Alex Highsmith, Fran Tarkleton, and Jameson Williams. Let's go. Coach V would like more Sam Williams. Coming right up, Coach. Coming right up. Here we go. Come on, box 3. Be good to us. Ramondre Stevenson, Christian Kirk, Matt Corral, our second Purple Shock, and Wan'Dale Robinson. Let's go. Any silver Cowboys. You got it, buddy. Let's do it. We got Alvin Kamara, Myles Garrett. How about my house, Aaron Rodgers? I'm not sure if he's talking about Soldier Field or, hey, Purdy. Let's ride. Tony, good evening. How you doing tonight, Tony? Hope you're doing all right. Appreciate you joining us. Some colored Purdy be nice in this situation. We got Daniel Jones, Hassan Reddick, Nick Chubb, Hollow, and Alontae Taylor. Jason, thank you, buddy. Good evening. Good luck to all. Let's go. We got Eli, Jahan Dotson, the rookies for the Commanders, Kyler Gordon, Bears, and Lewis Sign. Let's go. Xavier Howard, Jamal Williams, Wan'Dale Robinson for the Giants. Jason, that's a nice one on the Purple Shock. Isaiah Spiller, Chargers. Okay. Jason, you try to have a good evening, buddy. Okay. Last pack. Blaster 3, then we got Blaster 4. Come on. Hey, we got something backwards in here. Maybe an auto. We shall see. Come on. We got Troy Anderson, rated rookie for the Falcons. Derwin James going to the Chargers. That's a nice one. Mooten. Numbered to 150. Okay, maybe it's just a numbered parallel. God, Don. Are you serious? Calvin Austin, you could put it with the others. And Clinton Portis. We'll take him. Still wide receiver in the NFL. Don. Of course, yeah, of course it is. I seen the colors and got all excited, like, come on. Oh, what? You serious? This dude here, man. Get all this little Panini dust off here. It's everywhere. All right, box. God. He's going to be a beat. Yeah, he has opportunities. We laugh, but Calvin could be him. He does have a shot. 6 packs here. Let's do it. Come on. Good luck, everybody. Last box of Optic, and then we go to bangers. Let's hope somebody gets saved in this one. Brady, Hollywood Brown. Hey, there's a beautiful Tyreek Hill diamond hands. And Quay Walker with the Packers. Mike says, of course it's I know. Numbered parallel, or numbered auto. We'll take it. Come on. To 150. DK, Jerry Jeudy, and David Bell rated rookie for them Browns, and a Garrett Wilson base. The diamond hands are cool. I'm with you, Michael. They really pop. They look good. I like the My Houses also this year. Purple Shock. Come on. We got Ayuk, Hurts on the Dominators, Logan Hall for the Bucks, and Andrew Booth going to them Vikings. We got TJ Awu, Daxton Hill for the Bengals, and Tyquan Thornton, wide receiver, going to the Patriots. There's a thick one here, y'all. Here we go. Come on. Donovan McNabb. What about a Garrett Wilson, rookie phenom? Very nice. Going to the Jets for my boy Jeff, Zay Jones, and Snoop Connor Jags. Jags at the end. Working on the hands. Are you really? That's good, man. Don says, I hope he does blow up this year. He got a lot of them. Yeah. I can vouch for that. All right, last pack, y'all. We got Miles Sanders, T. Higgins, James Cook, Purple Shock, very nice bills. Of course, the last card, Calvin Austin III. Okay. Banger time. We'll save this one for last. 3 here. Good luck, everybody. Box 9 was brought to us by Mike. Mike picked this one out today. Good luck. We got a Chronicles break next. Divisional. Divisionals are fun. We got a PSA card. Let's go. Please help somebody that didn't get blessed in this break. We got a 10, a PSA 10. Hey, Bowman, this is one of my favorites. It is my favorite baseball. A 2020 Bowman Chrome on a 10, card 50. Oh, nice. Bo Bichette rookie. PSA 10, that's a nice one. We'll take it. Very nice. Bo. Toronto Blue Jays. That goes to the Buffalo Bills. 1. Box 1. John M. picked it for us. He had the Bucks tonight. It's pretty cool, Bo Bichette. Hey, we got a PSA slab here. Come on. It is also a PSA 10. Yeah, I don't know what that could be. Looks baseball. That looked like a bat. 2019 Topps Chrome. Oh, beautiful. Refractor. Gold Cup. My boy. Soto, we'll take it. Very nice. That goes to the Commanders. Jeff, nice hit, buddy. This dude is a beast. If you don't know baseball, I know he doesn't. You keep that, buddy. Going to Jeff L., who's got the Commanders. Ryan M. picked this box for us. 12. We got a PSA slab. Let's go. Can we get another 10? Got a 9. 9 is mint. Mosaic. Sure is. 76ers. Embiid, maybe. Mosaic. Allen Iverson. Very nice. All-time greats. Going to the 76ers. That'll be Eagles. We didn't call the Eagles tonight. Randy got them. Very nice, Randy. All right. Here we go. Jonathan picked this one for us. It'd be ironic if he was over there talking mess and pulled a Cowboy for Coach V, who has the Cowboys tonight. Good old AI. Yeah, there he is, Toady. On the silver Mosaic. Here we go. We also got a PSA slab here. 4 for 4 tonight on the slabs. Okay, big banger time. Let's get a nice one. We got PSA 10. Atlanta Braves. Going to the Falcons, which is Mooten. 28. Well, we know who that is. Ronald Acuna Jr., rookie, PSA 10. Jim, beautiful. Goes to the Falcons, which is Mooten, our National League front runner for MVP currently, by a long shot, I would argue. All right, recap time. Yeah, absolutely, Jonathan. Absolutely. Give him a hard time. Thanks for the break. Thank you, Larry. Hey, we got rookie swatches for the Jets. Breece Hall, Drake London, red and blue, ×2. How about DeMar Hamlin, number 69 and 199. There's a JJ, Justin Jefferson, red and blue. Darian Bland, my boy, red and blue die cut, going to the Cowboys. Brian Robinson, Commanders. There's one of our candidates. Drake London debut. Karlaftis. Legendary logos, Desmond Ritter. How about a lighted up Pierce? Sauce Gardner, Jets. Diamond Hands, Deontay Johnson. There's a Herbie on the hollow. Minka Fitzpatrick, Stars parallel. I love it. Thank you, Joe. Thank you, Don. James Cook, Purple Shock. Rookie Phenom, Garrett Wilson. Come on. On the Mim, David Bell. Let's go. We got Tyreek Hill, Diamond Hands, My House, Aaron Rodgers, Wan'Dale Robinson, Matt Corral. I think we got 2 of these. Drake London, 2 of these Kenny Pickett's. There is a Matt Corral right there. Purple Shot going to Samantera. Greg Dulcich. Love this. Kyle Hamilton. Who had the Ravens tonight? My boy Larry. That's a nice one, Larry. And Malik Willis, the rookies. We got 2 Brock Purdy's for Jeff. A base and Elite Series rookie. Purdy, come on. We hit 1 James Cook on the negative. It has been, Jason. I'm sorry, buddy. We hit Patrick Surtain, Broncos, 24/49. Calvin Austin, Steelers, auto. We'll take it. 149 and 150. We got a Juan Soto refractor. Very nice. Gold Cup. 2019 Topps Chrome. PSA 10. Very nice. Very nice. Allen Iverson, all-time great Mosaic. PSA 9. How about a Bo Bichette goes to the Bills on a Gem Mint 10 rookie. And out of the big bangers, Acuna Jr., Braves, bat in blue jersey, Les Ride, PSA 10, 28 Topps update. That completes this break. I appreciate y'all. Let's ride. Thank you, Charlie. I appreciate you.